welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ayo Glow here. So today we're gonna be doing an outdoor photo shoot, get ready with me / vlog. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me through the whole process. Right now I'm gonna be doing my makeup and I'm gonna do a voiceover over it. If you guys want a full tutorial, nitty gritty down to the details, let me know in the comments. I did have a summer oily makeup proof kind of tutorial up, but for some reason YouTube took it down and I've been trying to put it back up, but they're not cooperating. So if you guys want another one, just let me know. I was planning on doing one, but I just wasn't sure if that's the kind of content you guys wanted. So again, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so if you want to look like you're 20 in your 40s, you have to make sure that you're taking care of your skin. So the first thing I'm going to do before I apply all this makeup on is moisturize my skin. Next, I'm going in with my Stay Matte primer by Rimmel London just to cover my face up some more, and then I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose face powder. I promise you, I know that I might look like a crackhead, but this is good for oil control. Next, we're going to deal with some brows, and I'm going to fill them in with my Maybelline brow pencil, and I'm just filling in the back because I like that ombre effect, and plus I'm not a big fan of the permanent marker eyebrows, so this is my way of doing my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and my small little brush, and I'm going to clean those bad boys up. I love seeing people clean their eyebrows. I just feel like it looks so therapeutic. And with the same concealer, I'm going to cover up some dark spots all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going with the orange color. This is their contour palette, and all I'm doing is color correcting under the eyes because I have very dark eye circles and I want a flawless look. Next, we're gonna go in with some foundation. I have my Maybelline Matte Fit Me foundation in the color Deep Golden. I love this foundation. It's very affordable and it just gets the job done. If you're looking for foundations and you have oily skin, make sure you stick to those that are matte, because if it doesn't say matte, you might look like an oil spill within 20 minutes of doing your look. Trust me, I've been there. Next, I'm going to go in with my brush and I'm just going to blend everything out. This is such an important thing to do, especially if you're doing your shoot and the cameras are usually very precise. So you'll probably catch everything. So you don't want to look crazy. So take your time to blend. Next, we're going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal just to highlight. And I really want some bright highlighting just so it could pop in the photos. So, which is why I'm sticking to the color Fawn with this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I go under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, on my Cupid's bow, around my mouth, on my forehead, and my chin. Next step, make sure you let this dry just so it could really set, about like a minute or two. Then we're gonna go in with the beauty blender and blend that bad boy out. Again, take your time. You do not want to look crazy in the pictures, so I just really took my time on this one. So we're gonna bake with my Wet n Wild loose face powder, and I'm gonna just go in the same areas that I highlighted to bake my face. This just basically helps sets everything and also helps with oil control. Trust me guys, I need it. I have very oily skin and I live in South Florida, the land where the heat has no mercy. Next, we're going in with our True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to be using the middle color just to contour. I'm going to do it on the sides of my cheekbones and my forehead, around the perimeter of my head, and I'm also going to use a small brush just to do some contouring on the sides of my nose. Now, if you don't know how to contour, this palette is perfect for you because it gives you instructions. And also, I would definitely recommend to go with this palette for oily skin, especially in the hotter days, because powder is just the way to go, especially if you're going for a matte look. Next, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go in with the color Secure. I love this orange. It's just nice, bright, and beautiful, giving y'all tangerine vibes, like so pretty. Next, in the same palette, I'm going to use the color Access, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Now, instead of tangerine, I'm giving y'all sunset, okay? Like, this is so pretty. The two colors together on this brown skin. Come on. Come on. Now to seal the deal, because you know we need some shine, I'm going in with Guilt Trip, and I'm just going to put that over the color of Access, and look at what it does to my eyes. It literally helps my eyes pop. So beautiful. So now we're gonna blend out everything that we baked with. I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush just to blend everything out. Now the contour palette is a lot deeper than the loose powder, so I have to go in with a more sturdier brush to blend that out as well. Now guys, you wanna look like you contoured, but again, you do not wanna look crazy. So make sure you blend everything out. Now I have ashy lashes right now because of all the powder, so we're gonna clean that up with my Maybelline Telescopic Mascara. Look how pretty. I feel like your face is not done unless you have lashes on. Like, come on. It literally brings everything together. Next, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette in Ring the Alarm, and I'm going to use the color Siren, and I'm going to use that as a blush because I was too lazy to find my blush, and I'm going to use the On Camera as highlight as well. I feel like you cannot do your look without blush or highlight. Like, it literally seals the deal. I put it on my nose, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. Okay, now because I'm going to be wearing a mask, I didn't want to wear anything too fancy, so I'm wearing my lip gloss from the beauty supply store. Next, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London matte setting spray, and we are all done. Okay guys, now that I'm all done with my makeup, I'm going to show you guys the two looks that I'm doing for the shoot today. I'm so excited. I'm doing like an end of the summer, you know, shoot little thing because fall is coming, baby, and let's just get all the summer out while we can before one of my favorite seasons pulls up. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for my first look, I'm going to be wearing my fun little tie-dye señorita dress. Next, I'm going to be wearing this full-on jumper. This is so cute. I love the open detailing at the bottom. Everything about this gives me life. Let me know which look was your favorite. I'm pretty sure the photos are going to come out great.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
On our way to Barrita right now. I'm so excited. I love Barrita. They like have the best tacos ever. Fight me, like, I don't care. And today is Taco Tuesday. You know what I mean. And the tacos are $3. Yes, $3. I love me a deal. And I'm going with my friend Britt. I absolutely love her. She's usually the one that takes all my photos, so props to her. She just doesn't want to be in the vlog right now, but y'all will see her soon. And I'm just excited. The weather is so beautiful out right now. I hope it just stays that way. If you know anything about Florida, the weather is like up and down all the time. And just to note, do you see how disrespectful my skin is? Like, I feel like I could play connect the dots. Like, this is not cute. But I'm pretty sure I had an allergic reaction to something this last week or something, and I gotta figure out what it is. Or maybe it's the fact that I'm not drinking enough water. My skin is so sensitive, but I'm glad that it's gonna be an outdoor photo shoot and it's not really any close-ups, so it doesn't bother me that much. But I'll see you guys when I'm eating my tacos. I hope it doesn't take long. It doesn't look super busy. I gotta put my mask on though. amazing. The photos are gonna come out bomb. I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah. Hey guys, so that was the shoot. It was awesome. The shoot was supposed to be, I think, for 30 minutes or an hour, but I'm just not that girl to be out in the sun for too long. But it was nice, quick, and easy. The photos that she did take, I got a glimpse of them, and it just looks so freaking bomb. Like, it's just so much fun, guys. Don't forget to check her out. She did such a great job, very professional. She came 10 minutes earlier than what she was supposed to, and I really appreciated that. But yeah, it's just hot. Like, Florida's hot, but the photos came out nice. It's golden hour right now, so your girl is glowing. Even though I got the connected dots on my face, it's okay. It is okay. And yeah, let me know if you guys want more vlog content like this. I'm usually always out, and just comment down below if you do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends. I love y'all so much. Thank you to each and every one of my subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.